I'm gonna introduce you something really, really nice again. This is Chinese dish Tirikilat really like. And whenever we have a special day, we go to this Chinese restaurant to try this dish. And I learned it myself. And this is amazing recipe and so easy. Everyone can do this. Tofu dish. Let's do it! Righto. So main ingredient is tofu. So I drain this. You can use a kitchen towel or like this type of cotton to dry this lady, or you can squeeze gently, so you must get rid of water from it. So let's see. She is so nice, like baby's bottom. So let's cut this lady. Righto, and then put on the plate. And then you can put some salt on the top. Only little, like baby snow. Righto, then shall we go and fry our tofu? Okie dokie, this is fried tofu time. You need to put enough oil in the pan to cook one side of tofu, right on? So this is medium-high heat. You can draw one of your tiny piece of tofu in it. And you can hear jiggy jiggy sound. It is time. Okie dokie. Let's put tofu. Okay, you need to check sometimes if the other side is brown yet. She's be yellow now. Righto, it is time to turn over. You can see the tofu is half brown and half white. Yeah, turn over then. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Smells really nutty and nice. For the celery tofu dish, it is much nicer when tofu is really crispy. Look at this. Nice. Right, I think it is ready. You can check. Tofu, hit them. And if you can hear the tak 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 sound like this, it is ready. Okay, let's put them in sieve. Hello. Right, this oil, I'm sure you're worried about the waste of this oil, but you can keep it and use next time when you're cooking. It is still clean and good. Righto, this is celery time. You need to cut celery 1.5 centimeters or ½ inch. I will show you. Like this long. And then you need to cut pepper. I prepare yellow one. You can prepare red or orange or rainbow. So let's cut them. And then cut them 1 inch. And now this is spice time. So cut onion half. And then cut almost same size as pepper. Righto, same size. Then shall we go and make special sauce? Righto, let's make sauce. You need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It is absolutely no added sugar. And then 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use syrup or sugar too. and 1 tablespoon of yellow bean paste. I prepare Korean Doen-jang, but you can use Japanese or Chinese yellow bean paste. This is good ingredients. Without put any okso or other stuff, it make a very gentle and nice taste. Always good. Righto. And then you need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then you need 3 tablespoons of hot water. And then mix. Righto, shall we try? This is nice, but I like a bit of sweetie, so I'm gonna add a little bit of more honey. Ready! Okie dokie, this is the final step of this celery tofu. You need to fry them all together and mix with lovely our sauce, and then we can go to China. First, you need to put onion in the pan. I put a little bit of oil in it. Can you hear this sound? Our cooker is really happy, so it is singing now. This is medium high heat. And then cook. Okie dokie. When onion turns to brown color, we can add pepper. Pepper, you don't need to cook perfectly. When it is raw, it is more crunchy and fresh and nice. So we're gonna add tofu in here. But I'm gonna tell you the smart tip. You need this lady and scissors. Bring your tofu and cut like this. Very clever. And then, now you can add little bit of our special sauce, but I put the heating very small because we don't want to burn this amazing dish. Like this, little by little. And then stir them. 你好，大家好。When all the sauce covers all the ingredients, you can add celery. Like so, and then add rest of your sauce. Clever. And then stir them one more time. Concentrate. Like this, you can stir 3 minutes. Smells incredible. Okie dokie, she is ready. So let's get started. Here it is. So I'm gonna put some topping on the top, which will make much nicer this dish. So I prepare roasted peanut. You can get it from Aldi in very cheap price, but nice. Put enough. 大家好. And then I prepare chopped spring onion, of course. Dun dun dun. And I prepare some spicy chili too. If you like, you can put as well. and then sesame seed. I love tofu. It is really good price, and when you cook, it turns really, really nice, amazing dish. And it is really good to share with 4-5 people, one tofu, and you can prepare some rice as well. Then you can make great party. Okie dokie, this is time to try. We will go to the Great Wall of China with Super Budeon. Let's go! Jan!
Annyeong! Here we are in the Great Wall of China.
Yes, we are. And I prepared super long chopstick for this special place.
For a super long wall.
Right, then shall we try yellow wing tofu?
That's why we're here.
Yes, that's right.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
How is?
That's really delicious. Mmm. That's one of my favorite dishes that you cook.
Yeah, you
Really.
must cook. Thank you for watching Home Carol Cooking Show. Eat well and see you next time.
Good luck when you cook.
Cook, subscribe, click like.
All that.